Good evening, and welcome to Tech Tonight, your definitive source for the most impactful developments shaping our digital world. I'm your host, and tonight we're diving deep into the tectonic shifts occurring across artificial intelligence, the foundational silicon infrastructure powering it, and the rapidly evolving media landscape. Our lead story takes us straight into the heart of generative AI, where text-to-video models are not just advancing, but truly exploding onto the scene. We're witnessing capabilities that were science fiction just a few years ago, with systems now able to conjure incredibly realistic, high-fidelity video sequences from simple text prompts. Imagine crafting an entire scene for a film, an advertising campaign, or even a news segment simply by describing it. Companies are pouring billions into this domain, promising to democratize content creation and revolutionize industries from entertainment to education. However, with this immense power comes an equally immense responsibility, and the ethical debates are intensifying. The proliferation of sophisticated deepfakes, the potential for widespread misinformation, and the complex issues surrounding copyright infringement and intellectual property are at the forefront of every discussion. Who owns the output when AI learns from vast datasets of existing human-created work? How do we ensure provenance and authenticity in a world where synthetic media is indistinguishable from reality? The industry is grappling with the urgent need for robust watermarking, transparent disclosure mechanisms, and clear regulatory frameworks. These aren't just technical challenges. They are societal ones that demand careful consideration as we navigate this powerful new frontier. The ethical guardrails we establish today will define the future of creative expression and information integrity. Moving from the dazzling applications of AI to the foundational bedrock beneath them, our second segment focuses on the relentless demand for specialized silicon infrastructure and the global race to build it. The computational requirements of these advanced AI models, particularly for training and inference, are staggering, far exceeding the capabilities of general-purpose processors. This has ignited an unprecedented boom in custom AI chip development. While NVIDIA's GPUs remain dominant, hyperscale cloud providers like Google with its tensor processing units, Amazon with Trainium and Inferentia, and Microsoft with its recently unveiled Maya AI accelerator are all investing heavily in designing their own application-specific integrated circuits. These custom chips are engineered from the ground up to optimize for specific AI workloads, offering unparalleled efficiency, lower latency, and significantly reduced operational costs compared to off-the-shelf solutions. This insatiable hunger for processing power is also fueling a massive global expansion of data centers. We're seeing unprecedented investment in new facilities, often located strategically near renewable energy sources, as the energy footprint of AI becomes a critical concern. The geopolitical implications are profound, with nations vying for leadership in semiconductor manufacturing and supply chain resilience. The ability to design, fabricate, and deploy these cutting-edge chips is now a matter of national security and economic competitiveness. The sheer scale of this infrastructure build-out underscores the long-term commitment to AI, transforming not just software, but the very physical architecture of our digital world. Our final deep dive tonight brings us to the evolving media landscape, a sector undergoing a profound transformation driven by technological innovation and shifting consumer habits. The era of pure subscription video on demand, or SVOD, is rapidly maturing, giving way to more complex, hybrid streaming models. We're witnessing a significant pivot towards incorporating advertising-supported video on demand, or AVOD, and the rise of free ad-supported streaming television, known as FAST channels, alongside traditional subscription offerings. This diversification is a direct response to subscription fatigue and the intense competition for viewer attention, allowing content providers to reach broader audiences and monetize their libraries through multiple revenue streams. Traditional broadcasters, once seemingly threatened, are now leveraging their vast content archives and live event expertise to carve out new niches within this hybrid ecosystem, often integrating their linear channels with on-demand digital platforms. Crucially, the backbone supporting this entire media revolution is the robust and ever-expanding fiber optic distribution network. Delivering high-quality, low-latency video, especially for live sports, breaking news, or immersive 4K and 8K content, demands immense bandwidth and reliability. Broadcast fiber distribution ensures that content can be transmitted globally with pristine quality, bypassing the limitations of traditional satellite or terrestrial broadcast methods. This convergence of broadcast and IP-based networks is not just about speed. It's about enabling new interactive experiences, personalized content delivery, and the seamless integration of digital and linear viewing. The future of media is undeniably hybrid, interconnected, and fundamentally reliant on this high-capacity digital infrastructure. As we wrap up this evening's broadcast, it's clear that the threads connecting generative AI, the foundational silicon infrastructure, and the evolving media landscape are becoming ever more intertwined. From AI's creative explosion to the massive data centers powering it, and the fiber networks distributing its output, we are witnessing a period of unprecedented technological acceleration. These aren't isolated trends. They are symbiotic forces reshaping industries, economies, and our daily lives at an astonishing pace. Understanding these shifts is not just for tech enthusiasts, but for everyone navigating the modern world. The future is being built today, and its foundations are digital. Thank you for joining us on Tech Tonight. We hope this deep dive has provided valuable insights into the forces at play. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll be back tomorrow with more critical tech news and analysis. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.